let's go ahead and open up our tailgate. Then we're going to come right along here. You're going to find 2 mounting push clips. Go ahead and remove the center from those. Pop that out, and then I'll remove the outer portion. Comes in 2 pieces. Set that aside. Do the same to both. Now we can grab our lamp assembly, carefully draw it away from the body of the car. Once you've removed it, let's continue on by removing this right here. Now we're going to remove this red locking clip. I'm just going to use a flathead screwdriver, get in between, and I'll gently pry. Just grab onto it with some pliers. Get it right out of the way. Now typically you can squeeze right on this tab right here and then draw this away. If you can't, just stick a small screwdriver underneath this area. There's a little tab. You can lift up on that, and then we'll pull this off. All right, with that off of there, there it is, friends. Now it's going to be time to install our brand new tail lamp assembly. Before we go ahead and put it on, just take a look at your wiring here. You want to inspect it. Make sure you don't see any funny colors. Assuming it looks good, let's start connecting it. Put it in, listen for a click. Now put in your red lock. Everything attached. Let's continue on by putting this in. Give it a nice loving bonk. Now we're going to come over here and put in our 2 push clips. We'll start with the outer portion and then do the inner portion. Do the same to the other one as well. Okay, now you just need to test your tail light.